Today we have new toys we're going to unbox with you magical people, and it'll be so exciting to open with you.
And I got a baby doll, and if you lay it, it sleeps. It's really cute, and it has a stroller.
Yep, that's awesome.
Yep.
I have a cute baby doll that if you press its stomach, it says Mama and Papa.
They go in the kitchen.
And Yoyo here has a kitchen set. You unbox it and it becomes, and then you build it up into a magical kitchen set.
Yes.
Kitchen. See what we make of a story out of these marvelous toys? Watch until the end. You'll be amazed. Let's see what toys we have first. Created out of the magical suitcase that came out of nowhere. And look at this, it's amazing. It's our very own kitchen set. It comes with amazing fake food and delicious carrot. Delicious. It comes with its own amazing little pots and pans. I really like that.
You can make pancakes.
Yep. I'm gonna make some pancakes. That's cool.
Yeah.
It has its own plate. And would you like some food?
Pretty amazing, and I actually really like it. So these buttons, maybe you need batteries. I don't know. Oh, you need batteries. But this is still pretty cool. We can make a story out of this. And that's what we're gonna do.
Oh, Isabella's so cute when she dances in the air.
I know. Melody is so cute too.
I love her so much.
I love her so much.
Okay.
I think it's time for them to go outside.
Okay.
Let's put them in.
Stroller.
Share space, Isabella.
Okay.
Let Melody in. Let's go. I'm gonna take their ball so they don't get bored.
Eyes, ear, mouth, nose. A happy face.
Almost done with delicious food.
My body, hand, back, legs, toes. Here is my body.
Now it's taking up to dry.
Not going to do.
Let's go one more thing.
My clothes, t-shirt, shoes, dress, pants. When I wake up, put it in there. I'm in my pajamas. What will I put on now? I think so. Put on a dress and some shoes.
Delicious carrot soup is almost ready. Now I gotta clean this amazing cup.
Sock.
Now I'm gonna put this with the legs. I'm gonna go wake up the babies. What is this? Hey Dad.
Yeah?
Are you done?
Yep.
Okay, it's time to wake up the babies for a delicious lunch.
Wakey.
It's time to eat, Melody. Now you sit here, Melody, and you sit here, Isabella. But wait there until I get your lunch. Okay, which one of you wants the salad and which one of you wants the carrot soup? I want the carrot soup, please. Okay, Isabella, I'm going to pour you in some delicious carrot soup. Here you go. Now you eat that salad. Here's a salad for you, and here's the carrot soup for you. Let's feed you. This is delicious.
It's time to feed my baby. Let's go and feed my baby. Here you go. Here's your carrot soup. Yummy, yummy, yummy. She finished her carrot soup. Why is she crying? Are you sick or something? Okay, I'm gonna take you to the hospital.
What happened?
I think she's sick or something.
Mine is also crying for the past 1 hour. I think they're both sick from the food. Maybe they're not ready for this carrot soup. And then maybe they ate too much. We might never know. But we must take them to the doctor.
Yep.
Let's go. You take the babies. I'll be right back once I finish cleaning the room. Hi, this is Miss Tomlinson and my sister. Our babies are very sick. Can you schedule an appointment?
Save the date. Today, the date. Today. Today, this is my toy. Okay, I come in.
Really? Thank you. This is the doctor's office. Let's go. Our babies are very sick. Can you help us with that?
Yep. Big boy to hand, baby.
Okay, let's go wash its hands.
Let's see. What's my baby? We want to have.
I'll wait outside until you tell us if our babies are all right.
Come. What's your hand, baby? Baby, the way you want to have the gun, the fur, what you have first.
Oh, is that the medication prescription?
Yeah, this is man's medication. This is medication. They wash your hands to give the medication. So this is the medication. This is medication. Okay. Thank you for everything. Here's the money. Hi. What would you like? Again, baby doctor. Oh yeah, baby needs the doctor. Let me see. Okay, her head is fine, but she just needs a shot. So let's give her a shot. Give me your arm. Okay, she's done. You can take your baby.
Okay, we're here, baby. Let's get you all checked up.
Hi.
Hello, dear Dr. Douaa. My baby's sick. Can you do something about it?
Of course I can do anything.
Great. Should I place her on the table for you?
Okay.
Don't be scared, Isabella.
She's perfectly fine, but we just need to take her teeth and take a shot. Her teeth is good. She needs a shot though. It's okay. We're gonna give you a Band-Aid. Okay, ready to go.
Thank you so much. This means the world to me. Oh, dear Isabella, you're fine now. Let's get you all seated up in your suitcase. Is there anything that you do for my baby while I'm at home?
Yep, you just need to eat vegetables and fruits.
Wait, me or my baby?
The baby.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Mrs. Douaa. Now I can take my baby and feed her some delicious, yummy food. Have you seen? The doctor took care of our baby, and now they're all better. They're no longer crying. We better get home before our food burns.